And much more without the ads. Just download the Timid app to get started.
South Carolina, we have amazing clowns. We have not been.
She's correct in what she said. It just wasn't as permissible in this program.
From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Thursday on Hard Knocks. What would an in-season NBA tournament look like, and why do we need it? We'll discuss that and more. Hard Knocks. 12 o'clock Eastern. ESPN Radio. ESPN.
Regrets about this, or how she was treated during this era.
So there are two parts of the story. First, Lyndon Johnson initially wanted to appoint Princess Beverly to the U.S. Board of Appeals to the Secretary. And there was tremendous pushback against the Senate. She said Lyndon was not appointed, and they said it's okay. And we're going to put out a trial court.
From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Received the appointment to the higher court, and yet she went on to the federal district court, and her name was reported in the media as being on shortlist.
Go on. Do we keep going? There's lights going on in there. Okay.
For a number of reasons.